So excited today to do a shoot with Beauty Derm and their 3 new serums, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna meet Jet and Miss Geraldine from the Blackman family. That I have no voice. Anyway, I'm gonna go for ice plunge to wake up my body and my mind, and then I'm gonna get ready for the shoot. And I'll see you there. Hi guys! So, andito na tayo sa CR. Lumalabas na naman yung freckles ko. Kasi nagpa-araw ako kahapon. I'm so excited to do this shoot with Beauty Derm dahil this will also mark my 2-year contract endorsement with Beauty Derm. Love, love, love. So it's been a year talaga that I've been using Beauty Derm skincare and other stuff like yung hair towel, Beauty Derm din. May mga lip product and meron din mga hairspray na pang anti-pollution. I also use that. So, very, very excited ako kasi this time around, mas maganda yung skin ko kaysa sa last year na shoot. So today, I'm also gonna show you the 3 serums that we will be launching, or while you're watching this, na-launch na siya last week. But meron akong mga sample products, binigyan ako. This one is the retinol. And then we have the vitamin C serum. And the Serum Hydra Beauty. This one is with niacinamide. At ito yan yung mga sample products. Yan yung maganda sa Beauty Derm. Kasi bago ka shoot, bibigyan ka muna ng products. And syempre, since hindi pa to na-launch, ang nasa akin yung sample products para magagamit ko talaga at para maging effective yung skin ko while we shoot. So, ayan. Ang gagamitin ko ngayon ay ang vitamin C and yung niacinamide because yan yung morning routine natin. But, I also want to explain for the retinol. As you can see, sobrang konti pa lang nabawas kesa sa vitamin C. Medyo mas na-addict ako sa vitamin C. You have to listen carefully with this. With the retinol, we say use a pea size only. And with pea size, we mean it. Pea size. Ganyan lang. Kasi alam nyo bakit? Ang gagawin lang talaga dito is you dip your finger and then 14 dots lang. And when you wipe it around your face, and then syempre isama nyo yung konti sa ilong, when you wipe it upwards sa face mo, ma-notice mo na hindi pala siya kulang. Sapat na pala siya. Ayan. Hindi ko siya gagamitin today kasi papunta na tayo sa shoot. Mamayang gabi. So, I'm gonna start with cleaning my face. Hindi pa ako nanglamos. With the June Gentle Cleanser. I love this because it is super gentle talaga. It's a gel type of cleanser. Alright. So I also want to add, I used retinol last night kaya medyo may konting pula because with retinol, it can peel your skin. Kasi nung last time, first try ko talaga, hindi ako nakikinig doon sa pea size. So the next day, nag-peeling agad. And then I use the clarifying toner. I don't wipe my face dry. I just use the clarifying toner agad. And I also wanna add, with retinol, you have to add it slowly but surely to your skincare routine. Ibig sabihin, first try, gawin mo once muna in 1 week. And then next week, gagawin mo like twice. See how your skin is gonna react. And then again, gagawin nyo dahan-dahan lang and very, very light. So, pea size lang talaga. Isang konting size lang. Isang konting dot lang talaga. Kasi retinol is a skincare ingredient that can remove acne, dark spots, And even acne marks. Kaya mag-peel siya. Ako may mga acne marks din ako from the years ago. And as you can see, this one is a chicken pox mark. Yan yung goal ko mawala. But I don't think mawawala siya kasi I had this when I was 3 years old. But, we'll never know. Charot. But hindi ko din alam kasi baka ito yung pangswerte ko sa buhay, diba? Because I'm a lucky girl. Then yung leeg. Anyway, yan yung concern with retinol. Huwag kayong gigil. Make it slowly but surely. Parang diet lang siya. Huwag mo biglain yung skin. So, I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna let my face dry first. And then, I'm gonna apply the vitamin C serum. This one is my favorite because hindi na sa mukha. I'm not using this sa face lang. Okay. You're supposed to do 3 dots, but ang smooth niya sa skin. And then, I like to massage my face. And upward. Leg. Alam niyo bakit nasa halfway na yung vitamin C ko? Because pwede mo siya gamitin sa siko. And sa hands. Number 1 sa hands din. Every day, parang 3 times a day ko nilalagay sa hands because na-dry yung hands ko because of the UVs na nagagamit when I get my nails done. Kaya, malaking improvement din na notice ko. Parang ngayon, may mga wrinkles pa din. Malamang, may mga wrinkles talaga yung hands. But, nag-lighten siya. Niacinamide. Honestly, with the Serum Hydra Beauty, this one has 10% niacinamide. Alam ko kasi it works well with retinol. So, pag ginagamit mo yung niacinamide, mas nag-work yung effect of retinol sa skin mo. And with this also, I've read na it can reduce oily skin and acne produced by the oily skin. Hindi ako oily skin, so I can testify if tama ba. But, hindi ako oily skin, pero hindi din nag-dry yung skin ko. Yan yung beauty of it. Yan yung masasabi ko lang. Kasi, hindi talaga ako oily face. Kaya, hindi ko siya na-experience. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then sa leg yung iba. Then, just wipe it upwards. Upwards. Actually, ito yung nagpipilit sa akin. Ginano ko kasi agad, yung retinol. Ayan. Perese! Ginan bitog. P-size. Diyo lang naminaw si Inday. Muna siya. Ayan. Ayun, so, lumalabas talaga yung freckles ko recently. Ang init kasi. So now I'm gonna proceed with the day cream. Kunti lang ang kailangan. Para lang ma-moisturize. Ito yung moisturizer. It feels so good on the skin. And then, I like to apply the UV Soleil Sunblock SPF 30 on my arms, my whole body. Kasi kahit sa indoors lang kami nag-shoot, may UV rays pa din, especially yung mga ilaw. Sobrang lakas niyan. Let's stay protected. Let's keep our skin protected. And while I'm letting my moisturizer dry on the face, I'm gonna apply the Dr. Lip Balm on my lips para hindi nakakahiya na ang dry ng lips ko. Nung biyahe namin sa Europe, nakaubos ako na 2 at ano to. And then now, the last piece is the moisturizing sunscreen. It's the moisturizing sunscreen. Gusto na siya, ha? Ayan, huwag niyo din kalimutan yung mga kilay niyo. So guys, ayan, this is my morning skincare routine. Stay tuned because I'm gonna meet Geraldine and Jet today. I hope.
Hello. Tapos parang, Tia, parang bilhin talaga nila. Ito natin ihalo.
Ay!
Ang kidney mo!
I-drop na yan. Iniinom po ito. Iniinom?
Maloka si Miss Leo.
Ano kinuha? Ayan yung bago. Bukas yung lunch na to?
Opo.
So pwede naman ako mag-vlog for next week. Labas. Mag-hi ka.
Ay! Ay! Wala yung
Open mouth ha. Open mouth. Diyos ko malayari tayo.
Secret ko ka.
This is the real secret. Kinain. Galing. Vitamin C.
Oo nga no.
Diba?
Ang galing.
Diba? Ang smooth niya.
Para siya nag-evaporate ka agad sa
Diba?
Uy, ang galing naman. Para maganda siya direct.
Diba?
Kasi
na ano siya agad eh.
eh.
Tapos ang smooth lang na naiwan sa skin mo, na surface.
Oh, ayan oh. Uy, amazing.
Amazing. Gusto naman sa akin ng...
Uy, ang ganda.
I think you're low bat. Road to freshness.
Tapos, para siyang primer. Ang smooth.
Diba? Ako po, one more here. One, two. Ay, okay na! Okay na! One more! Okay. One, two, and one more. Meron talagang rollers. Hindi ko rin makita.
Yeah, you told me.
Kaya, kaya.
Lotionan mo na siya. And then,
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, shine mo siya. This is for you. Yeah. Check mo lang. Yeah.
Tell me what brand is it? Alam niyo mga
What is brand? You know what this is?
What? Oh, you know the song. What is that? Tell me. Tell me, what is it? Okay? Oh, diba? Diba? Diba?
Yeah. Because I gave you one mga tolls. Louis Vuitton bags. It's like for a classy beach bag. Diba? So it matches your personality kasi it's very classy. Lagi ko yan. Sino taga? Oh, pwedeng sling, pwedeng body bag. Bagay na bagay sa personality.
What?
Sumaya. Sobrang.
So generous.
Bagay mo yan. Kasi plush yung baby ko eh. Actually, one of the most expensive Gucci bag siya. Oo nga.
Yes.
More sweet to it.
Oh, she gets it.
She loves bags too, actually. Wow! Yeah, yeah. Because you played the idea.
Silly face! Silly face! Silly face! Silly face!
Yay, good girl! She's good! Dito po siya! Sana all. Maganda kasing katabi niya, no? Kasi mo, itamod siya!
Totoo yan, kapag iba.
Makahiyain. Oo. Parang ano pa siya. Oh, nasa mood siya kasi ganda ng shot niya.
Ganda ng beauty queen kasi.
Oo, beauty. Okay kasi siya.
You want to become a beauty queen also?
Basta may ka mag-beauty queen? Wow! Ay! Ate Kia, teacher!
I'll do your makeup.
Yeah.
Makeup, makeup.
Do you know how to...
Oh, yes! Go, go, girl! Good, kinikilig siya. You take pictures with ate there like that, oh. Ay, gusto niya si Ate T. Oh, si Ate T. Baka nasa ganda yun. Take pictures.
Nasa ganda.
Half Vita, half ito, Ilocana.
Half German, half Christian.
Over here, Jen.
Saan kayo?
Silly face niya. Silly. Silly. Oh, no.
Picture natin.
Oh my God, she's in the mood.
Oh! Ay,
Ang swerte ni Tina. Magka-trending yan. Diba na?
Jen. Naligasan niyo yung sarili niya sa ano.
Look here, one more.
Pose like a queen. Ate, pose like a queen.
Oh no. Cute face na, Jen. Cute face.
Bye.
Cute face, Jen. Kiss face, Jen. Bakit kasi nasa ulo yun si Jen?
Di mas maganda pag ano, may ganyan.
One more, I see that. And one,
Jen.
two.
Jen. Pretty one, pretty Jen, pretty. Pretty!
Hindi yung face naman.
Si Jen.
Ay, pakinis pa.
Beauty queen pose. Beauty queen pose.
Pwede ko pang i-post din pa
Where?
wala namang ganda.
Okay lang. Let's do a beauty queen pose. Okay, stay here. Stand, and then you put your 2 hands on your waist, like this. And then put your one foot forward, and then like that, and then smile. And then just smile. Just have to smile. Yeah. You know the Kita mo, kita mo. And pose. Oh, yay! Hello! I'm so excited na rin sa magiging baby
Oh
mo.
my gosh, ang
Ay, sobrang maganda yung baby.
Lapit.
Please, come out.
Where are you? Pagkain na labas. Do you like it? Wow!
Jen, kiss face, Jen, kiss face.
Kiss face! Kiss ka sarili niya.
Ano ba yun?
Oh my God, parang sisters!
Ano ba yan, Jen?
Mami, it's a sign.
It's a sign.
Ano? Go na. Mabigat yan yung kilos yun. Lahat ano sila kami kilos.
Good job.
Kaya natin yung right hand. Sing lang naman.
Okay na yan, friend?